Hi friends. In this video I am going to show you how to configure IP addresses on a Cisco router. Let's get to it. We are going to start on router 1 and configure interface G00 for router 3 and G01 for router 2. Next, we will configure router 2 and router 3 with an IP address on their respective subnets.
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Let's verify our IP address on router 1, using the command show IP interface brief.
Dangerous times don't fly too high.
Now, we can test our work and ping router 2 and router 3 from router 1.
Forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you are new in this channel, we are requested to please subscribe this channel and share this video on your friends circle. Have a great day.